everyone, this is Sherry from Tianjin Henghua Pipeline Technology Company. How is a high-quality hose produced? Today, I will introduce the production process of high-pressure hydraulic hoses in our workshop. These are NBR nitro rubber, the main material of the high-pressure hydraulic hoses, and those are additives materials. First, mix the nitro rubber and additives with mixing mill to produce rubber blocks. Second, the sheet-type single-piece calendar machine crushes the measurement layer into a film roll and cuts them into proper-sized sheet for reinforcement rubber sheet use. Then, extruder machine extrudes the inner tube onto the soft core. Then, inner tubes will be poured, attached with white release powder, and coiled onto the rollers. Now, it's turn to reinforcement layer production. Copper-plated steel wire braided or wire spiraled process. Currently, it is wire braided process. Now, it is copper-plated steel wire spiraled process. This is hose outer wrapper extruded and labeled process. Hoses will be cooled and wound onto rollers. This step is water cloth wrapped to protect hoses in vulcanizing process. Now, what you see in the video is vulcanization, direct steam heating by vulcanizing tank for continuous vulcanizing. We are now at this step. The production is about to be completed. Water cloth removed, hoses demoted by water pressure, hose work pressure and burst pressure tested, hose quality inspected, hose length measured, and rolls packed as per requirement.